Cathie Wood, who is the founder and chief executive officer of ARK Invest, has once again shown her confidence in Palantir Technologies by continuing to purchase more of its shares. Cathie Wood is one of the most followed investors in the world because of her bold approach and focus on innovative companies that have the potential to reshape industries. She is best known for identifying future trends early and making significant investments in areas such as artificial intelligence, financial technology, robotics, and electric vehicles. Some of her most famous early investments include companies like Tesla, which went on to become one of the most valuable car manufacturers in the world, as well as Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange. Recently, she has turned her attention toward Palantir Technologies, which she sees as one of the most promising artificial intelligence companies in today's market. Palantir stock recently gained over 2%, showing that interest in the company continues to grow among both retail and institutional investors. Palantir Technologies, based in Colorado, is a software company that specializes in building advanced data analysis platforms that allow organizations to understand and use massive amounts of information. The company's main goal is to help businesses and government agencies make better and faster decisions using artificial intelligence-driven insights. For many years, Palantir was primarily known as a government contractor that worked closely with defense and intelligence agencies. Its technology played an important role in national security, counterterrorism, and military operations. However, in recent years, the company has taken major steps to expand beyond its government roots and to build a stronger presence in the commercial sector. This transition has been led largely through its Foundry platform, which has allowed private businesses to use the same kind of sophisticated data analysis tools that were once only available to government agencies. In the year 2023, Palantir introduced its artificial intelligence platform, which has become a major turning point in its business model. This platform allows companies to deploy artificial intelligence systems that are trained with their own operational data, helping them make better business decisions, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Since the launch of AIP, Palantir has seen incredible momentum, especially within the United States commercial market. The company's commercial division has become one of its fastest growing segments, and this success has caught the attention of investors all over the world. As of October 24th, 2025, Palantir's stock trades at around $184 per share. Over the past 12 months, the company has delivered gains of more than 300%, placing it among the top-performing artificial intelligence stocks in the entire market. Such massive growth reflects how rapidly demand for artificial intelligence tools has increased and how Palantir's early focus on enterprise solutions is now paying off. However, investors should note that Palantir's trailing 12-month price-to-earnings ratio is around 800, which is significantly higher than the typical range for most technology companies. This means that the stock is expensive compared to traditional valuation methods. Despite this high valuation, many investors remain bullish because they believe Palantir's unique technology and expanding customer base justify its premium price. One of the reasons behind the company's strong performance is its ability to maintain high growth while staying profitable. During the second quarter of 2025, Palantir achieved a Rule of 40 score of 94%. This metric combines a company's revenue growth rate with its profit margins to assess overall financial health. In the world of software as a service companies, a score above 40% is generally considered very healthy. Therefore, Palantir's score of 94% demonstrates not only strong growth, but also impressive financial discipline. This combination is rare among fast-growing technology firms, and it shows that Palantir's management team has found a way to scale effectively while keeping costs under control. Another key highlight from the second quarter of 2025 was the remarkable growth in Palantir's United States commercial business. The company's revenue in that segment rose 93% year over year, reaching $306 million. This massive jump was largely driven by the rapid adoption of Palantir's artificial intelligence platform among American enterprises. More companies are realizing that they need artificial intelligence to remain competitive, and Palantir is perfectly positioned to meet that need. This transformation marks a major shift from Palantir's earlier reputation as a primarily government-focused contractor to a well-rounded artificial intelligence company serving both public and private sectors. In addition to strong revenue growth, Palantir achieved another significant milestone by surpassing a $1 billion annual revenue run rate within its United States commercial operations. This achievement confirms that Palantir's products are gaining strong traction among businesses. On top of that, the company secured $840 $243 million in total contract value during the same quarter, representing a 222% increase from the previous year. The total contract value, often referred to as TCV, measures the full lifetime worth of deals signed during a specific time period, which makes it a powerful indicator of future revenue. Such dramatic growth in TCV suggests that companies are increasingly committing to using Palantir's software for years to come. This not only reflects trust in Palantir's technology, but also shows that its artificial intelligence platform has become deeply integrated into the workflows of major organizations. Palantir's growing dominance is also supported by the massive opportunity that exists in the broader enterprise artificial intelligence market. In 2024, this market was valued at approximately $24 billion, and analysts predict it will expand to $155 billion by 2030. This represents a compound annual growth rate of 38%. The driving forces behind this growth include the global push for automation, the need for improved operational efficiency, and the rising demand for intelligent systems that can handle complex decision-making tasks. Companies in nearly every industry are looking for ways to integrate artificial intelligence into their business models, and Palantir is one of the few firms with the experience, infrastructure, and credibility to provide such solutions at scale. Palantir's artificial intelligence platform offers organizations the ability to deploy artificial intelligence agents that can be customized to their specific operational data. These artificial intelligence systems can help companies shorten decision-making timelines, reduce human error, and significantly increase productivity. This is especially valuable in competitive industries where time and precision are crucial. For example, a manufacturing company could use Palantir's platform to detect inefficiencies on its production line in real time, while a financial institution could use it to analyze risk patterns faster than human analysts could ever manage. In the United States, many businesses are feeling pressure to adopt artificial intelligence as quickly as possible to maintain their competitive advantage. However, smaller firms often lack the resources or expertise to develop custom artificial intelligence systems from scratch. Palantir's platform fills this gap by allowing them to harness the power of artificial intelligence without having to build complex models on their own. This lowers the barrier to entry for artificial intelligence adoption, which is one of the main reasons why demand for Palantir's solutions has surged so rapidly in recent quarters. As enterprise artificial intelligence adoption continues to accelerate, Palantir's future looks increasingly bright. The company is positioned to benefit from the rising demand for data-driven decision-making across industries. With United States commercial revenue already growing more than 90% year over year, and the global market expected to expand by nearly 38% annually through 2030, Palantir is in a strong position to capture a substantial share of this booming market. The company's established technology, growing customer base, and continuous product innovation provide it with a clear competitive edge over many of its peers. While the stock remains below $200 per share, Palantir continues to look like a solid long-term investment opportunity. Some investors might view its valuation as stretched, but it is important to remember that growth companies often trade at high multiples when they are at the forefront of a major technological shift. The artificial intelligence revolution is still in its early stages, and Palantir has positioned itself as one of the key players leading this transformation. As more companies adopt artificial intelligence to improve efficiency and gain insights, Palantir's platforms are likely to see increasing demand. It is also worth noting that Palantir's management team has demonstrated a strong ability to anticipate market needs and evolve its offerings accordingly. Investors who believe in the long-term potential of artificial intelligence and data analytics may find Palantir's current price an attractive entry point before the next phase of growth unfolds. Essentially, Cathie Wood continues to increase her investment in Palantir Technologies, a company that provides artificial intelligence infrastructure for both government and private organizations. Palantir, which was once mainly known for its government contracts, has successfully expanded into the commercial sector with the launch of its artificial intelligence platform in 2023, driving strong revenue growth in its United States operations. As of October 24, 2025, Palantir's stock trades around $184 per share, showing a gain of more than 300% over the past year, despite having a very high price-to-earnings ratio of about 800. The company achieved a Rule of 40 score of 94% in the second quarter of 2025 and reported a 93% year-over-year increase in United States commercial revenue, reaching $306 million. Palantir also surpassed a $1 billion annual revenue run rate and secured $843 million in total contract value, representing 222% growth from the prior year, with the global enterprise artificial intelligence market projected to grow from $24 billion in 2024 to $155 billion by 2030. Palantir is well positioned to capture a significant share of this expanding market, making it an attractive long-term investment even below $200 per share. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.